I'm Chef Daniel Boulud, and we are here at Cafe Boulud at the Brazilian Court in the Palm Beaches. We are making the sauce for the sea bass tonight. That's the fish is wrapped in a beautiful skin of potatoes that we're gonna make crispy. A lot of seafood here, and we also do pasta. Well, I've been coming to Palm Beach for quite a while, and I have built wonderful relationship with colleagues here. Of course, one of them is a must that I have to have. Chef Rick Mace at Tropical Smokehouse. And there is also some more eclectic restaurants like Stage with Pushkar that bring a little bit of spice and flavor to the town. For Italian, Marcello Fiorentino at La Sirena. And then, of course, I come to Palm Beach with my wife often and my kids. And we like to go to the breaker and be at the beach during the day. It's wonderful, but also at night with HMF and the bar there. It's always a good vibe. And then I have a longtime friend also that came to Palm Beach not too long ago at the Four Seasons, and that's Mauro Colagreco at his restaurant Floris in town, the gallery, of course. I like art, so the Ann Norton Sculpture Gardens. That's very special. I've done a cocktail party once there also. And this is why I love the Palm Beaches.